Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing? I know, been what, 2 weeks since we've done one of these? But still, as you know by that thumbnail, everything else you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at another offering by Mountain House Adventure Meals. This one, personally, is my all-time favorite by them. This is my go-to, seriously, whenever I'm doing a pack, whenever I'm doing camping, whenever I'm doing whatever. The lasagna with meat sauce. As you see, it says 2 servings, but let's get real. That's like one fat boy serving, all right? About 3.6 ounces. Massive expiration date right there. What do we got? August 2052. And you can take a freeze frame right there for all that nutritional stuff. Where is it? They are made out of, there we go, Albany, Oregon. They've been there for a very long time. Now, making this thing is really simple. You add a cup and a half of water, basically stir it up, and stir it really good, okay? Because sometimes some of the stuff gets caught in the corner and you don't want really crunchy crap or some of your sauce being down there. And just let it stand for about 9 minutes, all right? That's all you gotta do. If you want, you can open it at the 5-minute mark, twirl it around, there you go. But I do like it goes a favorite Italian-style entree made with pasta, tomatoes, beef, Parmesan, and Romano cheeses. Little Italy has never been closer. Jersey Joe, if you're ever watching this, bro, just don't react. Don't react. I can see your eyeball twitching going, I'm amongst the heathens. But still. Alright, let's get the adulting out of the way. As of filming this video on Tuesday, October 25th, 2022, it is currently $9.97 on Amazon, and it is not Prime eligible, but it also says temporarily out of stock. So, go figure, hunting season's starting around, you know, hunters and everybody else are stocking up on their things, and yeah. So if you've never seen the inside of one of these packages before, well, here, I'll show you in a sec, but take the silica pouch, throw it away. All right? Don't eat this thing. Don't believe anything you see in Reddit forums or any of that crap. Toss it. It's not tasty goodness in there. If for some reason you can't find it when you make your meal, it's not going to poison your meal, just remove it after. All right? But that's how it looks in the bag. Seriously, that's all the dehydrated stuff getting in there. Now, I'm going to go out to the kitchen. I'm going to make this guy. I know none of you really want to watch water boil and watch a bag sit around and all that fun stuff. So, I'm going to make it up. We'll be back, you know, with the usual bowl, the MRE spoon, everything, as soon as it's ready. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, we are back. And I don't know if you can see that, but the steam coming off, it is fresh out of the bag. I would say, did you miss me? But I know you didn't. But it's okay. Just give me this moment. Somebody go, yeah, I missed you. Okay. So like I said, fresh out of the bag, like we usually do. That's what it looks like. I know. Didn't expect much, but still. And like I have said before, this one is absolutely one of my ultimate favorites by Mountain House. So yeah, this taste testing in a moment is going to be kind of biased, because I already know I'm going to like it. But still, like we do with everything else, guys, we do 3 bites, right? So we're going to give this thing a moment, because I'm really not in the mood to burn the top of my mouth off. I know, old guy, whatever, still, get off my lawn. Alright, so... Pasta's done really well. Some of that meat in there seemed to reconstitute okay. Other was that chewy bit I've been having recently. So I don't know if tastes are changing or what, but still. Bite number 2. Big mix of everything in there. Not bad. Still, like I said, I don't know, maybe I gotta let it sit a little more. Because, seriously, the pasta is really good. The sauce is what I expected of it. It's not tangy or anything like that. You guys know how, like, when tomato sauce has been sitting around for a while? And no, Jersey Joe, I'm not calling it the gravy. The sauce. You know, sometimes you get that little tang to it when you try it, you're like, "Ugh." But the meat, I don't know, in this one, it's like 50-50. You okay over there? You gonna live?
Yeah.
You better. Kind of need you. You're important to the operation.
I knew.
You're my spare parts.
I knew.
All right, bite number 3. Yeah, on that one, I know, weird. Everything's perfect. Seriously, everything's perfect. No worries. No pasta sauce problem, none of that. But okay. The all important question, would I buy it again? Duh, I've already said it's my favorite. I think I've got like 12 packs sitting upstairs. Really good, really filling, really will warm you up on a cold day, especially like for you hunters who like to get up at the butt crack of dawn before the deer are even moving. Yeah. It's still, you hunters are awesome. Seriously, venison is great, and some of the trophies you guys score, I love seeing those pictures. So if you want to flood my Facebook wall with them, go ahead. Looking at you, Willaz. Looking at you. But still. All right. So now I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Have you tried the Mountain House lasagna with meat sauce? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Have you had bad experiences with it? Overall, it has been hands to my go-to one by Mountain House. Other than that, it's like their chicken and rice is my all-time favorite. And I got to get some of those in. I got to get it to the channel. Not the teriyaki one, but the chicken with rice. Oh, it's just so good. So good. Okay, now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, and I know I did for somebody, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But there we go, guys. My quick unbagging and taste testing of Mountain House Adventure Meal Lasagna with Meat Sauce. I want to thank all of you personally for watching. I know your time is very valuable to you, and I'm very, very grateful that you're giving me some of that. I hope you guys are having a great day, a safe day, and I can't wait to see all of you in our very next video.